Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to go over the 10 essential documents you'll need for mortgage pre-approval. Now, some of you are probably starting on your journey to purchasing a home, either as a primary residence or maybe as an investment property. But to make things easier, you need to have these 10 documents and provide it to your loan officer so that way they can get the pre-approval process started and get it done as quickly as possible. We need these documents in order to verify your identity, your income, and your financial readiness. So it's important that you get these documents together so that way when you're ready to make that move, you have everything ready to go. So the first thing is you want to have your personal identification. So these are things like your government ID. So this is like your driver's license, your passport. So this way we can identify who you are and we can put the name to the face. So always have that ready and have that on hand. Then the second thing is we'll need your social security card. Most times we won't need it. We'll probably just need your social security number, not necessarily your social security card. But if you have that ready, so that way we can tap into your credit profile and be able to download your credit history. Next thing, we'll need your pay stubs. So we need to verify your income. So we need to see proof of employment and how much money you're bringing in. And this is the start of how we start calculating how much you'll be able to afford. Number 4, bank statements. So I require at least 2 to 3 months of bank statements. So this way we can verify your assets, your income, and your down payment funds. So we need to be able to source how these funds came into your bank account, where the money came from. So you want to make sure that we can find that money trail. So we'll need those bank statements. Next up, we'll need tax documents. So if you're a W-2 employee, then we'll need your W-2 forms. If you're self-employed or you're a 1099 contractor, we'll need those documents as well. So that way we can get the full financial picture of your finances. Number 6, we'll need your investment accounts and any brokerage accounts that you have. So that way we can see what other assets you have, because banks want to see that you have some assets laying around, not necessarily that you're liquidated, but they just want to see that if in case you had to use those funds, that you have something available. So this could be like your 401k, IRA, any investments accounts, even crypto. We would like to look at those. Then we would go into your monthly debts. So these are like your fixed monthly debts, like your car loans, rents, credit cards. So this is how we are able to calculate your debt to income ratio. How much debts do you have versus the income that you have coming in? And are you able to cover all those expenses with your income? And from this, we are able to calculate a debt to income ratio, which will determine how much you'll be able to qualify for, your type of interest rate, and those type. Next, we'll need rental information and landlord references. So this is just proof that you're paying your rent on time, how much your housing expenses are. This is not necessarily always needed, but sometimes depending on the lender, they may require it. Number 9 would be gift letters. So let's just say you have family members that want to give you a gift. And if you receive money from these family members as a down payment, this letter will state that this money is not a loan. You don't have to pay it back. So that way they don't include it in your debt to income. Number 10 is your credit report. Obviously, as loan officers, we're going to pull your credit. We're going to assess your credit history, see what your credit score is. This way we'll be able to determine your loan eligibility based on the type of loans that we're looking for you to qualify for. So that's it in a nutshell. These are the 10 documents that we would need to get you started on your pre-approval. If you have any questions about what is needed, what these documents are, what they mean, how to get these documents, make sure you leave your question in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.